Hello wonderful people, here is how you animate for beginners. So speaking of beginners, I'm also a beginner, that's why I'm doing this. So basically all you have to do is draw your own character, or if you're trying to animate like something like Naruto or something like that, just draw the character. And the name will be in the description for what I'm using to animate right now. So make sure you just draw your character normally, or the character you want to use normally, because the app I'm using is really hard to it's really hard to zoom in sometimes, because you have to press the zoom in button, the mirror glass that's there, to zoom in. So just try drawing your own art style for beginners first, because if you try drawing like something like Naruto, it's gonna take a long time for you to do that. Trust me, it has happened to me before. This app is only for beginners, or if you really want to use it for like very hard mode, you can do that too. I'm only using my mobile phone, so that's like, and look at all the mistakes I made, including the arms. But let's just get back to the tutorial, okay? So like I was saying, you draw your character. You can add any special design you want. It doesn't have to be my character or my art style. It has to be coming from you, your art style, and every other thing like that. So after that, you basically have to just press hold on the character you're using, and press copy, then you paste it. Then you just erase the mouth. When you're done erasing the mouth, you draw on a new mouth as if it's talking. Like you just draw a little watermelon that is cut without the seeds. So that's how you just get your mouth shape. Then you copy that one again, and then you just erase the mouth and do the same thing from the other, just making a little bit of changes. Doesn't have to be a big change, or it's gonna look quite weird. Just a little change in each one. Just keep on repeating that, doing the little changes, and it comes out as somebody talking. Then just keep on doing that. Then on the last one, you have to draw like something like they're stopping talking, so just like a little line. That's how it's gonna look, and that's how it ends. So guys, see you in my next tutorial or storytime animation. Bye bye. This is how you make your own animation.